To download the AP System Monitoring app, head over to your App Store and search EMA app. It should look like this. Click Install, and you can go ahead and open the app. Once inside the app, you will be asked for a username and password. You should have already received an email with this information. If you have not received your username and password, please request from Pioneer, and a username and password will be provided. On your first time logging into the app, you'll be asked to change your password. This can be any password of your choice. Pioneer does not need to know this password. Down the road, if you forget this password, Pioneer can issue a password reset. Once your password is reset, you will need to enter that information one last time, and then you will be logged in.